Just double tap to activate the taser.
Another stunning idea of yours.
Seriously. Now, look here. The RE6 from our friends at Ridgid. 1 tool. 3 interchangeable heads.
Well, that's putting your heads together.
Wires cut. Lugs crimped.
Boxes.
Punched. All 3 heads and the tool are handy in this single case.
You'll have power up in time to disrupt the missile launch. I said, hurry up or we'll miss lunch.
Cut wire, crimp lugs, and punch electrical boxes with 1 tool. The all-new RE6. Only from Ridgid. Request a free on-site demo at Ridgid.com/RE6.